Hi guys, Ofentse Ledwaba here. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber or viewer, please do not forget to like other videos. And also if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I have some exciting news, great news. Please do not miss it. Guys, as you know that we have a free Telegram channel, please do join it. And then we also have signal session and also the signals group whereby we give signals about Nasdaq, US30 and other different currencies. So basically what is gonna be happening tomorrow 25th until the 26th, basically I'll be hosting a free online bootcamp about Forex trading. So basically join the free Telegram group in the link below so that you don't miss it. I'll be sending the link tomorrow at 9 p.m. Central African time. So basically guys, I'll be just sharing much more news and some of the information. You need to be there so that you can be notified. And also guys, it's an online bootcamp. It's free of charge. So basically guys, as you know, on Sundays I do a market recap, a market analysis. I forecast, I plan for the week ahead. So basically join me now into the chat so that you can be able to see what I'll be looking at this coming week. And also tomorrow guys, don't miss it, join the Telegram group now so that you can be in the group. I'll be posting the link to the session tomorrow. Join the group now, don't miss it. Thank you. Join me in the chat. Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba again. Welcome to the chat guys, and today I'll be just showing you the analysis that I'm preparing for the week, because as you know on Sundays I prepare market analysis. And guys, I have some exciting great news. Tomorrow 25th and 26th I'm having an online bootcamp for free, just for free guys. I'm only doing this once, be sure not to miss it. The link will be posted in the Telegram group. So what you need to do, join the Telegram group right now so that you can get all the updates. So basically tomorrow I'll be just showing you guys the ways that we tackle the market and also the free information that you'll be getting. But if you like to learn directly from me and get more than 20 videos of showing you guys how I managed to tackle the market and be able to be profitable, you need to be part of the premium group. So guys, without further ado, wasting much of your time, let's get into the chat so that you guys can be able to see the basics and how I'll be looking at this week coming forward. Basically guys, what I most likely to do, I like to look at the market from a bigger perspective before I go down to smaller time frames. So basically what I'm really interested in currently, I'm just identifying my resistance and my support areas, you understand? So basically I see the major ones on a daily time frame. So basically what I'm looking at currently, I have a double top here. You can see this area here was retested, so this level here gives me double top. So I can see a double top formation, and as you know that whenever we see a double top, we know that the market tends to go down. You understand? It's a sign that the market is ready to go down. It's something like this. So basically, you can see that this area around here should definitely give a move to the downside, and also you can take it all the way where your TP will be here, you understand, on the neckline. But it's also possible that it can break this neckline as well, neckline, and go down again. So basically what I'm looking at is for US30 to come here, looking at it on daily, you understand. Looking at daily, I'm looking for US30 to come there and retest this support. Should it break it, then I'm expecting it to come further down to this level here. So basically guys, you need to be aware of these movements, you understand. Just by looking at this on a daily, this is what I'm looking at. So let me go to 4 hour. Guys, you must always remember that this was not understood overnight. Much more practice and time was invested. I've invested my whole heart into the Forex trading, and I've experienced the breakthrough from the challenges, and also before that there were losses as well in place. So basically, whenever you encounter loss, don't be thinking that this is not for you, you want to quit. You understand? It's a journey. It's not a race, it's a marathon, guys. You understand? You run your own race at your own pace. Don't be competing with other people. Don't compare yourself with other people. You understand? So what I'm looking at currently, I just want to show you guys something here. You see here we have a support, and when I stretch this, it becomes a resistance here. You understand? You remember what I mentioned, that the market tends to move in phases like this. Sometimes we have something like this. I'm not gonna draw many of them. Remember, I mentioned that the market tends to move like this, and then sometimes goes like this, then goes here. You understand? So basically, you can see that at this we are having an uptrend. You understand? Buy. You understand? So basically, what I want you to see now, it's what is happening here. You understand? You see the market here. Market went up, then down, then here broke this, and then came back, retest this, then short here. You understand? So basically, you need to know what is really happening currently. You saw I showed you that in the long run, the bigger picture, but now let's look at other time frames. We are on 4 hour, and then now I'm just gonna take you to another time frame. Because on the higher time frame, you can see that it's showing you that it wants to go down, but you can get a perspective that it can reverse within the smaller, higher time frame. You understand? So basically, do you see what I'm seeing here? Someone bought here and bought here, and now we need to see what's really going to happen at this third touch. Will it come and retest this support and shoot up? Because let's look at how many touches on this flat correction we have here, because a flat correction is a continuation pattern or a ranging market. You must understand that it's showing us that the market will continue from the previous moves impulse. So basically, the previous move will be this move coming here, the uptrend. You understand? So we are having a double top. Yes, I'm not defining that, but you need to be aware that you need to manage your double top, because what can really happen here is that when you are managing your small downtrend, you have to use this. Should this break? Should this break? Should this break and correct like this, then we are definitely taking a buy at the third touch. You understand? So this third touch will be giving us information here, because you can see here it's retesting this support, this area here. So let me go to 1 hour. Okay, you can see now what I'm looking at now. Don't need to confuse yourself too much, guys. You need to be clear and also make your chart cleaner. You understand? We're having 1, 2, 3, even if it's a bit further. Just do this. And then we can certainly come back here, retest this, forming what is it, as this is our support here. You remember when I said this was the resistance, now it's becoming the support, because now we are on top of it and we are in between, and this is the resistance. So let me just do this. What's my text? Okay, resistance. Okay, and then this will be my support. Okay. So guys, at the moment, we can sell US30 until this level. We can take a short-term sell. Take a short-term sell until this level. Then when we are here, we should be looking for buy moves, because I expect I'm forecasting it to come here, retest this area, and then shoot and break this resistance. You understand? So this is just what I'm looking at on US30, because remember what I told you, now we are going down, and then now we are forming the peaks. You understand? You remember what we mentioned, that whenever the market is going down, then you'll be having peaks, something like this. So what we are having there, it's something like this. You understand? Until we reach a point whereby we decide to break and then go to the upside, and then now we'll be putting our trend line at the bottom. Now we have troughs, no longer peaks. So basically this is just what I'm looking at currently. At the moment, I'll be taking sales just to take it to this level, 3737, and then around this area I should be looking at buying US30, taking it to the all the way to the upside. You understand? You must understand what the market is giving you. You must use the information you get from the chart. So you don't guess, you don't gamble, you use what is given to you. You understand? You forecast with what is given to you. So that's the information that you'll be getting. And also guys, please do not forget to share the video with your friends and family, so that we can be able to get more subscribers on this channel. Also comment for more topics that you like me to handle. So guys, I hope this is very much informative. Let's just go to 15 minutes. Voila, you can see already it's going down. And also I just want to show you the small resistances that we see around this area here. You see, so you can see why this market is going down currently. This area here, now we are having the support here, so we need to come down and then maybe retest here, shoot down, then now we can be ready to go up. I'll go to gold, guys. I hope you're ready. Okay, let me start from a higher time frame. I'll start from my daily. Perfect. Guys, as I've explained before, the market moves in phases, and the market moves from resistance to support, or from support to resistance. So basically, I just want to show you guys that whenever you're having a flat correction, you should really consider the previous move that happened, the bigger move that happened, because what I'm seeing now, it's this area here, and then we were coming from the top, then we are in a flat move. So what are you expecting? Expecting a break to go to the downside. Hence this move, I'm showing you that this is a correction. You understand? It is a flat channel. You see, most of the time I talk about rising and rising channel and falling channel. So basically you can see here it's a flat channel. Some people will just say it's a ranging market, you understand? So with basically what's fortunate enough with the Forex Heroes 2.0, you are able to trade even a ranging market. So guys, don't forget to also join the free Telegram group so that you can be notified. And also we have a signals package which is 500 rands per month or $30 for international people, so that you can be able to take trades that I take as well. You will be added in the VIP group. So basically you can see what really happened here. Hence I have this as our correction. You understand? Have this as our correction. We have the move which was coming from the top, and then now we corrected, then shut down. So basically what really happens is Forex history tends to repeat itself. So this is just what I'm expecting to happen around this level here. You understand? Around here to continue to come to this major support coming from daily. So this is just what I'm looking at currently. Let me go to 4 hour. So you must remember, guys, all this comes with practice. You don't just come overnight just by sitting and not doing anything. So you like to be part of the premium group, you have to put in the work. I'll hold your hand and show you the mistakes and the right trades to take as well. But you have to put in effort as well, because you need to remember that the effort that you put in will definitely reward you. So you need to run your own race at your own pace. Don't ever compete with other people. You don't know their scars as well, how the challenges that they've managed to overcome. So also, guys, be aware of that. So need to be prepared psychologically as well. So guys, join the free Telegram group so that you can be with us tomorrow when I do the online session. So basically, guys, this is just what I'm looking at currently. Let me go to 1 hour. What a beautiful setup. What a beautiful setup. If I stretch this like this, can you see that this was a support when we pushed to the upside? And now, when it reached here, it came and became this one became a resistance. And now, this was a support. It bounced here, but before that, it was a resistance. You understand? It was a resistance here. Before all this happened, you see it was a resistance. Then it broke the resistance, then became a support, then broke again, went up. So now you can see it broke. Now it becomes the new support. We are coming from the top. Now it broke it. Now it becomes a new resistance. You understand? So support now becomes a resistance. So this is our new resistance. This now becomes our resistance. You understand? And then now this is our support. So this is what I'm looking at here currently. Understand? Because you must remember, when the market is going down, you have something like this, the peaks in a downtrend. You have something like this, then you understand, until it decides that it's gonna break this line here. So basically you need to understand that the market will move from a major resistance to a major support. So this is what is happening currently. So I'm expecting to take a sell and take it all the way to this major support, the support coming from daily. So we are having this as our major or bigger support. This will be our major resistance. Okay. I hope everything is clear, guys. Please be with us tomorrow. And also don't forget, I've sent out the information in the free Telegram group. Once you join it, share with as many people as possible, guys. We really like to give much more free knowledge. And also, guys, if you'd like to subscribe to the signals, don't forget, subscribe. Also at only $30 or 500 rands. So per month. And also be sure to share with your friends and family. Guys, we really need to assist those who are struggling, and also be aware that our premium course for mentoring, lifetime mentoring, and getting videos as well, more than 15 in-depth videos about Forex trading prepared by me, Ofentse Ledwaba, in the premium course at only $247, which is 4,000 rands once off. You get lifetime mentorship as well, and you're added into the premium guidance group. So guys, please do not forget to also like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. Thank you for tuning in, guys. See you in my next video. See you tomorrow, guys. Don't miss it. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be sending the link. Please make sure you have Zoom so that you can be able to join us. We'll be using the Zoom app online platform. So basically, I'll be sending the link tomorrow, 9 p.m. Central African Time, Johannesburg. Be with us. Join us for a free online bootcamp hosted by Ofentse Ledwaba from Forex Heroes 2.0. Thank you for tuning in.